Can you name two keys that can't open doors? That would be a donkey and a monkey. Hello, my name is Mr. Piano, and welcome to Oclef Kinder. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to play a joke for you. Okay, so let's begin by finding middle C. Keep both thumbs on middle C, right there, and keep your right hand thumb on middle C. Okay, now find left hand finger 3. With left hand finger 3, you're going to find bass C. That's an octave below middle C. So next to these two black keys, finger 3 goes on bass C. And we had this in C's rock. So that's where we'll put left hand finger number 3. Finger number 2 should be on D. Finger 1 should be on E. And of course, finger 5 is on A. So we begin with our left hand finger 3 on bass C. Play that twice. Step up to finger 2. Step down to 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Can you hold 3, finger 3, for 4 beats? Let's try that first line again. 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now the next line you see is played with our right hand. So we play 5, 4, 3, 2. Now we don't go all the way down to C. A lot of students want to go all the way down to C right away, but we actually only go down to finger 2 in that first measure, second line. Good, so that's the first measure. Next measure, we start on F or finger 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we do go down to C. 3, 2, 1. Now C is played together. Both bass C and middle C are played together in the last measure. So let's play that last line one more time, starting on right hand finger 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good. Did you hold the last note, the whole note, for 4 beats? Make sure you hold that for 4 beats. Let's play the whole thing again, making sure our hand position is right so that we can play the correct notes. 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, how'd you do? Let's sing it with the words. Can you name two keys that can't open doors? That would be a donkey and a monkey. 2, 2, 3, 4. If you want to go back and practice that, please do from the beginning. Just a quick note to parents, focus on correct notes. If your child is going back and they keep repeating each them, and then they start over and over and over and they don't finish a sentence, or if they don't, and they're stuck on repeat like a broken record, tell them to slow down and focus on correct notes. Focus on playing the song from the beginning to the end without stopping. See you soon and happy practicing.